Hey, what's up, everybody? I'm Jay Wald, Print That Thing, and I just wanted to give you a kind of a recap or some highlights from my Innovative Product Accelerator workshop with Ed over at IO3DP. So I think the biggest benefit from the program was just the consistency and having Ed there to help guide me through the process of actually getting a product from from my mind onto Amazon. And I think the biggest revelation to me was understanding his process on how to know what product to make, because I've always just made products, I just like, oh, cat armor, hey, just random weird stuff, like this, like a umbrella bird ring, right? And so I would just make things because that's what I'm, a creative person, so I would just make stuff. But Ed's workshop really helped me understand and looking more at the data and knowing which product you should make. And I think that's just huge for all creatives and designers out there, because a lot of you guys and girls out there are probably like me, where you just want to make stuff. I just want to make stuff. But if you actually want to sell products and make money with your designs and not work for clients, that's one of them for me, is learning, how to find demand for the products you're trying to create. And it's pretty fun to learn. Now I just see kind of the whole world a little bit differently, thanks to Ed's system. And just, I mean, it's fun though. It's like months of research on what product to make. So I say, that would probably the biggest one for me. I think my biggest apprehension before starting the program is more probably like, I think I was like, I could probably just figure all this stuff out by myself, because I'm a go-getter, I think of, I can research, I can do lots of things. But I think I could have done that, but just investing in myself and taking time, it was kind of like I just wanted to take 3 months for myself, and focus on trying to get to a place where I could sell physical products. And I think the apprehension I had was like, I can just do this myself. But in reality, looking back now, it was so much more helpful and just faster. Like, you're just going to get the result faster because you're going to have Ed there every single week, like 2 times a week. It's amazing. Plus, not only that, but the community. Like, I've met so many friends and cool dudes and chicks, like, in the weekly meetups. Like, you're actually powwowing with people that are in the trenches with you. We're all kind of like going through these highs and lows. Oh, sorry, these highs and lows of emotional roller coaster of trying to bring a product to market. It sounds easy, but there's a lot that goes into it. And it's just so great to have people there to support you and to push you through, or just to give you like little ideas, like, what if you tried this? Like for mine, like, I had this condom box. This is what we ended up making. You can stick it to the wall, stick it to the ground, and then pull out a condom. So it helps people be more suave and more, debonair when they're getting their sexy time on. But like, I couldn't figure out how to get it to stop moving on a table. And one of the members was like, just put them out at the bottom. And I was like, oh yeah, because you're just so close to your designs that you don't see certain things. So having that support group in Ed to just kind of push you through the hills is probably the biggest thing. And just that's what I was most nervous about, just kind of getting into it. But I say you should definitely do it. It's definitely scary, but it's going to make you think totally differently about how you create products. So if you're on the fence thinking about it, just, have a chat with Ed, see if it's a good fit for your business. I did like online education. So I know when I first started, I just had a meeting with Ed and I was like, hey, I'm trying to do this, but I really want to get to this level where I'm selling products and helping people and finding like a new material. So I say, do it. If you just invest in yourself, but really take it seriously. Show up every day. I think I only missed like 1 or 2, but just really try to show up to all your meetings and just put, whatever you put in is what you're going to get out, and you're going to get there pretty rapidly. So, I say go for it. And very thankful for Ed and his team for all the help and support. It was fantastic. 10 out of 10. So, get on it, make some products, help people. Let's go. Woo!